Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 2744, find maximum number of string pairs. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. On this channel we create videos to help others in their coding and Java interview preparation process. You will find more than 500 different varieties of solved coding problems for you available on this channel. That includes BFS, DFS, graph problems, problems related to binary search trees, binary trees, arrays, strings. You will also see lots of data structures related problems that uses stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap. There are problems related to dynamic programming, recursion and memoization are also here on this channel for you. So let's start with the problem statement first, and then we'll go through some examples so you can easily understand this problem. You are given a zero indexed array words consisting of distinct strings. The strings words I can be paired with strings words of j if the string words of I is equal to the reverse string of words of j. I and j is between 0 to words dot length. Return the maximum number of pairs that can be formed by the array words. Note that each string can belong in at most one pair. Okay, so maximum number of pairs we want to find out, uh, and the words dot length can be between 1 to 50. So maximum 50 words will be given to us, and every word will have a length 2, right? And the words will be distinct strings. So let's understand what they are saying with this some examples, right? So this is their first example they gave us. So now what they are saying is, let's say you have a string here, like first AB is one of your string, and BA is another string you have, let's say, right? So they are saying that you can pair these things together because they are reverse, right? AB and BA. So AB, if you reverse it becomes BA, so you can make a pair of these strings. That's what they are saying, right? So let's see how many pairs we have in the first example. So here you have a CD, so I can make a pair of this CD with a DC, right? So this one pair I found. The another pair I can make is of AC with CA, right? Because this is reversed, right? So this is two pairs I can form. This one I cannot form any pair, right? ZZ. So basically I will output 2 because I found two pairs. In the second example, you will see that you can make a pair of AB and BA, right? Because those are reverse strings. So one pair is possible here. So you will just return one. CC, you cannot make any pair of CC with anything, right? Correct, because you need two distinct strings so that you can make the pair, right? So there is no possibility. So this is what we want to find out. So now you understood it, what the pairing, how the pairing works, right? In this case, so how can we solve this problem? So what we can do is we can go in this words array from left to right, right? Left to right we will go, and we will keep a set, right? We will create one set, and we will keep adding this string into the set. So I check the CD, right? So I will add CD into the set. Always I will first check if the reversed string is present there. So DC is present, no, so I will add a CD, right? Then I'll go to AC. Is a CA present in the set? No, right? So I will add AC here. So you are with me, right? So we check if the reverse string is present in that set first, correct? So when I go to DC, I will check if a CD present here. Yes, CD is present here, correct? CD is present here. It means that I am going to increment my counter, so my counter will become 1. It means that I found a reverse pair there, basically, correct? And then I will add a DC here, right? I will add DC in the set. Okay, next I will go to the next pair CA, right? I will check if the reverse word present there. So is AC present there? AC is present, yes. AC present, yes. So I will increment my counter to 2 because I found one pair, correct? And then I will put that CA in my set, so I will put CA here, and then I will go to the next one, which is ZZ. So ZZ is available here, no, so I will just put ZZ here, right? Okay, so this is how you can solve this problem. So but how will we reverse the string? We can use a string builder class, right? We can just write down one static method in Java, so that you just pass one string as argument to that method, and it will give you a reverse string. So we'll write a static method for that in Java. So the main thing is this set logic. So whenever you are going, you will check if the reversed string is present there, and then you add that string into the set. You always add the string into the set. So first you add CD, then AC, then before you add DC here, you will check if a CD is present there. Yes, then you will increment your counter, right? Because it means that you can make a pair, correct? So this is the basic logic. So I hope you understood this logic. So same thing we are going to implement. First I would like to show you the static method that will be helpful to reverse a string, right? So here is a static method. We will call it as a do reverse strings. You pass one string here, and we'll just use a string builder instance here, right? And then we will just go from end to the beginning. This is important. We are going from end to the beginning here in the for loop, and you just keep appending the characters here, I minus minus, because you are going from end to the beginning, right? So that it can become reversed. After that, you just have to do sb.toString and pass it like return this string. So it will give you a reverse string, right? Now we will use this method in our main method. Our main method is here, maximum number of string pairs. So words array is given to us, which is string array. We will create one result, which is essentially a counter to find out number of pairs, and we will create one hash set of strings, right? So this is the logic that we just discussed. So in this for loop, what we are doing is, let me put one bracket here, right, so that you will know it's starting and ending here. So we are going to iterate through each word, and if the set contain a reverse word, right? So set contains, and then we are calling our do reverse string method that I just shown you here, right? We are calling that method and checking if the set contains a reversed word of that word. Then we are going to count it in our result variable, right? Because it can make a pair basically. And if it's not there in that set, then we are just going to add that word basically, right? If it's not there, we will add the word there, right? So you will keep looping here, and you will keep checking, and if you find out a reversed word there, then you will keep incrementing your result counter. So that's pretty much it as this code goes. So in this for loop, we are iterating through all the words. So it means that if you have n words there, your time complexity for this code becomes order of n, because you have a for loop. And for the set also, we can assume that worst case you will have no pair, and you have to put the words there, so order of n as a time complexity as well, space complexity as well. So we'll run this code against the test cases, make sure it passes. The test cases are passed, as you can see, so we are getting correct answer. So these are the example we just saw. So 2 and 2 we are getting correct answer. For this one, 1 and 1 is correct answer, and this one you don't have any pair here, right? So you are getting 0 correct answer. Submit the code to the Leetcode, make sure the code gets accepted, and as you can see, the code is successfully accepted by the Leetcode, right? Yeah, so 92.46% faster than other submissions. So this is the way you can solve this problem on the Leetcode 2744, find maximum number of string pairs. Another string coding problem on Leetcode. So I hope you understood this logic of how we have used the concept of set, right? So concept of set to put the string. So whenever you find a string, you put it here, and whenever you are looking at a string, if a reverse string is already present, then you will count it, right? So that's the concept. So if you like these examples on whiteboarding session, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really helpful, and for this channel, it really supports this channel. On this channel, we create videos to help others in their interview and coding and Java interview preparation. We have more than 500 different coding problems solved and explained with whiteboarding sessions for you here. All important coding questions varieties are covered for you, so don't forget to check out those playlists. You are definitely going to learn a lot by watching those videos, and it will also help you in your interviews. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems. The more problems you solve, the better you will become in programming as well as problem solving. And thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.